Alright, today we're going to show you the short demo how to assemble with your fast connector in my hand. Okay, there's two other video requests to you for using. First of all, take out the cable and we're going to using this stripper, the cable stripper, strip the fiber here, and now just take the cable clamp. Alright, cover up. Here the clip, okay, right. And the next step, using the cable holder, and now using the green color with the fiber stripper, push down, slice it, okay. Using the alcohol, cleaning the bare fiber. Make sure it's 100% clean, okay. And the third step, using the cleaver, clean the bare fiber like that, okay, and take it down. And this is the connector, okay, in my hand. Insert the bare fiber into the housing. You hear click and cover up. And the final step, when using the folder here, and lock the fiber. Okay, like that. So we have here the completely for how to assemble with it. Thank you for watching.